Hey y'all, Merry Christmas Eve or Happy Holidays, whatever you guys celebrate. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to bring you guys a quick power hour cleaning motivation video. This is probably one of my shortest cleaning videos that I have ever made, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of motivation for those of you who are having company over for Christmas Eve. As you can see, my first floor is a little bit messy. I am just going to be cleaning my kitchen and my living room in today's video. I didn't set a true clock or anything like that, but it was about an hour that I spent cleaning in today's video. So I am going to start out in the kitchen. I had some dishes in our sink and in our dishwasher that needed to be put away before I could do anything else. Now, I've talked about this before on my channel, but I hate emptying the dishwasher, and I hate it even more when the dishes are cold. I have to empty the dishwasher as soon as it's done running, or I just completely cannot do it. I don't know if anybody else is like this or if I'm just really weird, but it is just something that I have always done. Now that everything is put away, I am going to go ahead and do some dishes and get those loaded into the dishwasher, and then I will wash out our sink. I wasn't going to do this in this video because it was in the middle of the day and I was going to be making dinner later that evening, but the sink was looking a little gross and I wanted to go ahead and clean it, and I am just using some dish soap to do this.
I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home.
Moving on, I am going to put everything on the countertops away. I'm going to put them back into their places, and then that way I can go in and wipe everything down with some multi-purpose cleaner.
The best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. 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 Reach out to me.
Now, my stovetop has seen better days. You guys can't really tell in this clip, but I had a lot of burnt on stuff, and so I'm just taking a razor blade to loosen those up. And then I will go in with some Windex, and I actually got this idea from Bronte. She said that her dad does this and she swears by it, and I absolutely love how my glass cooktop looked after using Windex, which it only makes sense because it is glass that Windex would work really well on it.
I've been holding my breath, but it's hard when I am running back to. I'm falling behind you now, I'm losing my mind. I'm blending into the moon crowd. It's like I'm lost in the night.
Now I'm going to be deep cleaning our bar stools. You guys can see they had a bunch of stains on them. My kids have been sitting here a lot more than they used to, so I do find that I have to do this more often. But I am just going to go ahead and wash those, and then I will wipe down the legs and get all of that and get both of those nice and clean.
Nothing I do is enough. I've been holding my breath. is hard when I am running back to.
So now I am going to move into the living room. I will be vacuuming everything at the same time, but I wanted to get the rest of the house tidied up before I did that. So I am just going to come in here and pick everything up, fold the blankets, throw all of the trash away. I try to categorize what I'm cleaning up at one time. That way it seems like less work in my brain while I'm cleaning. I'm also going to pick up the little hallway here. It is winter time in West Virginia, so we are always wearing jackets and boots and hats, and so everything just kind of gets thrown in the middle of the hallway here. So I am just going to take this time and put that stuff away. So now I am going to go ahead and vacuum everything. I am going to start by vacuuming in the living room. I'm going to do the couch, under the cushions, and get all of that nice and clean. And then I will vacuum under the couch and our rug. It had been a while since I had vacuumed underneath of the couch. I used to be really adamant about that, but lately I've been a little bit more lazy, so it was definitely time to do this.
Stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, we could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same.
Now I will go through and vacuum the rest of the house. I will hit the hallway, and then I will run through the kitchen as well.
We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. We never fall, could have tried much harder. All we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers.
Now I also really needed to mop in this video, so I did spend the last little bit of my power hour mopping. I am just using some Fabuloso and hot water to do this. Again, kind of mopping the whole house. I will hit the kitchen, and then you'll see me go through the hallway and just making sure I'm getting all of the yucky stuff off of the floor.
Better get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to. I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again.
Now that is actually going to end today's video, and I did incorporate some before and after shots here for you guys to give you some more motivation. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it motivated you to get some cleaning done today. I hope that everybody has a safe weekend and a happy holidays, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I figured you'd come to me, then all of a sudden it became reality. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind.